Okay, what's up guys? Marc Augustine here. And in this video, we are going to do a follow-up on fulfilling the orders that went through on this is day 3 or 4 of this account where you saw us get 2 sales. So like the
Yeah,
video, subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Marc Augustine. I've drop shipped on eBay, Amazon, Facebook, and Walmart over the past 10 years. And in this video, we're just drop shipping on eBay. And using
exactly.
Ecom Sniper. So check out Ecom Sniper in the description. Sammy, you want to introduce yourself really quickly?
Yeah. So my name is Sammy. I've been dropshipping on eBay for the last 6, 7 years, and I'm just happy to be here. Yeah, got my microphone ready. So um, I think like going from last week, what happened was like we got a bunch of orders. We actually put this account on pause, and Mark, do you want to explain why we put the account on pause?
Yeah,
And then
so when we first started with this, so if you know, we this account is owned by Danielle, and when we first started with her, the requirements, the credit requirements, that was needed, she couldn't fulfill, she couldn't live up to the credit requirements because on this brand new account, you're waiting on 2 weeks to get paid by eBay. If you notice, when you look at this, the sales, the money is coming on August 9th. So what we're doing here, we're just fulfilling these orders and putting this account on vacation until we coordinate who's paying for what and so on. So like the video, subscribe. But yeah,
exactly,
and that's also why I wanted to do a video on how much it costs to start an eBay dropshipping business. Because a lot of
yeah,
people coming with $0 thinking they could start a eBay dropshipping business on $0, and you can't. You need at least a couple $100s to start. Not tens of
exactly,
thousands of dollars, but you definitely need to put aside 5, 6, 700 US dollars to properly run
exactly,
an eBay dropshipping business from start. But yes, Sammy,
exactly.
go ahead.
So yeah, so let's go ahead, and the first things first, we're gonna get the order sheet. And what I always like to do is I like to go ahead and pin it. So we're just gonna go ahead and make a brand new order sheet so that we can go ahead and like write down our purchases, because we can go ahead and we're gonna probably go ahead and make like a brand new like we're gonna probably, once we figure out who's gonna be paying for the orders and stuff like that, we're gonna make like a brand new like we're gonna start the account back, yeah.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
right now, I think you said you put it on vacation mode, or what was the exact thing you told me?
Right, like a time off. I went into I went into eBay's settings and I put all the listings as if that we are away for 30 days.
I see. So there, yeah, and that stopped all the orders. Like, I honestly, that's not a great idea moving forward, guys. Like, you should like figure out your Amazon accounts, how you're gonna order the items beforehand. Like,
Right.
we're not from the US. Like, I mean, I'm not. Mark is, but you're not in the US right now, yeah?
No, I'm not in the US right now.
Yeah, exactly. So these are not our accounts. We're basically doing like a service, you know what I mean? So that's
Yeah.
why like this stuff is a little messy, but you guys should have no problems, right? There's no excuses for any of you. So so yeah, let's go ahead and like we'll ignore this first one. Let me just wipe it.
So that's
Just go
from Victor's account.
exactly. We'll just wipe this for now. Yeah, okay, instead of wiping it, let's just get into the meat and potatoes. Okay, so we just have to worry about these both of these floor mats. So let's go ahead and order them. Like the item should have arrived by it's saying shipped on July 27th. Estimated it should have came on July 31st, right? So the buyer's expecting it today. You know what I mean?
Tomorrow,
Like tomorrow or
tomorrow,
today or tomorrow,
tomorrow.
right? So exactly. So hopefully, like maybe we can get this out quickly. If not, we'll just send them a message. Just remember, if you're ever late for your shippings or whatever, just have some communication with the buyer. That's all you have to do. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and order this item, right? We're gonna press find SKU, right? This item is 26.79. We got 22.98 from it, right? We're gonna get a price of like the item on Amazon 16.49. Let's go ahead and open up our Amazon account. We're gonna open up the Amazon tab, right? Let's go ahead and press. We're gonna search the item. Oops. Wrong one. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab. So the way you work with multiple computers, by the way, a pro tip is to just go ahead and like use a remote into it with multiple computers, right? Because we're working with two computers right now. One is
Right.
Mark's computer, and the one is like the computer with the Amazon account is logged in. All right, limited time offer, pays $0 for this over, and nah, man. Anyways, add to cart. We're gonna go proceed to checkout. And then we're gonna go ahead and click, you're gonna change the address. And let's go ahead and add a new address. We're gonna press new address. Sorry, change. So every time you're making an order, you make sure you're sending to the right person's address, right? If you're sending it to your house, it's not gonna do much, right? So yeah, just like I think things like that have to be said, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and grab like the order information from the user. Okay, you gotta put this zoom thing down, yeah?
Right.
Yeah. Oh, you're not able to put the zoom down? Okay, okay. Maybe as long as in the background. You yeah, okay. Let me see if I can see the order details from now. Okay, that's perfect. Let's go ahead and I'm just gonna grab Kevin's name. That's the buyer's name, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it into the customer information. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm just gonna grab the entire address. Melvindale, Michigan. Um, that's by the way, Melvindale is a city. So if
Yeah.
anybody's wondering, eBay goes ahead and kind of gives you like that information because we might have people who are like international. You
Right.
know what I
True.
mean? Yeah, because one guy actually signed up. He was from Romania, right? So this business goes deep, right?
Yeah.
So eBay US is the best platform to sell on. So I would recommend anybody who is like drop shipping, if they can do their setup in the US, great. Like I personally don't do it from the US because I'm in Canada and it's just so much easier to run your business and stuff in your local state. However, the truth is it's so much harder to get sales in any other country besides the US. Like everything's possible, right? Don't get me wrong. You just need to do 20 times the effort because the US market is 20 times bigger.
Yeah.
So I hope that makes sense, yeah? All right. So we're paying 17.48 for this order, and then we're just gonna go ahead and press order 17.48, and then we're gonna write it down in our data sheet. So let's go ahead and open up our data sheet. So we paid 17.48. So 17.48. Our eBay sale price was we sold it and we got 22.98. So 22.98. So, and then our order number, let's go ahead and grab our record number for eBay. Right, by the way, this is record number, order number, we call it the same thing here. We just keep it separate. The reason why is because Amazon calls it order number as well. So we just want to make sure we have like some, so we know what is what. And also eBay uses record number. So the date of the sale was, let's see, this is a long time ago, July 25th.
25th.
And yeah, so now we're finally like going ahead and doing this order, and I'll show you how we can go ahead and make sure that, we don't get any problem with the customer. So the last thing is we're going to put the order number. We'll grab the order number from the Amazon. There we go. Let's go ahead, open up the Amazon. Right over here is the order number. Just grab it from the top. And then the ETA, it says August 8th. Wow. Did we pick the right shipping option?
Ensure that there's Prime on that account. Well, there is
Oh,
Prime. There is
yeah,
Prime,
there
but
there there is Prime, but what happened? Why is the shipping time taking so long?
yeah, this is
Let's
one of the errors that, like, I just happened to see
Yeah, yeah. What? Let's see. Like l- like did you see like let's go ahead and just cancel the order and do it again. Maybe we can find out what happened over here if that was the fastest shipping time, right? Because that August 8th is too long, right?
Yeah, definitely too long.
Yeah. We'll show you how we can go ahead and like use some customer service to like make it okay, right? But you know, let's see, let's try our best to go ahead and like make sure that the order is coming out fast. So let's go ahead and reorder this item one more time. I'm just gonna grab the item. The way you find it is we have the custom label SKU. You press right click, press find SKU, and there you go. Find the Amazon item. And then we're just gonna go ahead and bring it into another other machine. All right. So let's go ahead and order it one more time. And then we can kind of make sure that free prime delivery Wednesday. So it is so it's not too good, you know? Anyways, we'll go order anyways, and we'll just provide some good customer service. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Proceed to checkout. Credit card. Yeah. And then the address. We said the guy's name was Kevin. So let's go ahead and find Kevin. So guys, don't freak out. If anything like this happens, like it's not that big of a deal. Like don't worry about it. Yeah. Like there's ways to, as long as you're giving good customer service, no one's gonna hate you. Buyers are understanding, right? So yeah, this was the fastest, August 8th. Unfortunately, this is our ETA. So let's go ahead and just write down, let's grab this order number and then we're gonna go ahead and write it down in our data sheet. All right. So let's go ahead and put it in our data sheet, order number, and then our ETA for this item, we're gonna have to change the note. So let's go ahead, let's go back. We're gonna change our note, edit note. So SS, right? We're gonna write Victor's email 788@gmail.com. That is the Amazon account that we use to purchase it. SS means that we shipped it out. Right? We're gonna write ETA August 8th, 2023. And then I'm gonna write my name, Sammy, and I'm gonna write the date I wrote this note. So right now the date is 2023 07/30. So that we know that SS, Victor, ETA, August, and then we got to write a little, since we're like working with two people, we always have to make sure the notes are super clear what's going on, right? I'm gonna right on top of it, erased the previous note. We didn't ship out the item. We messaged the item. We messaged the customer. Um, we messaged the customer already, but now we need to follow up with the new shipping date. All right, press save, and we're good to go. So we already marked it as shipped. Now we're gonna have to send a letter, send a message to the customer.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and write the message. Let's order the second item first, you know, just to keep things, and
Yeah.
then we can just work on like sending the message both out at the same time. And because the message is the main part over here. Otherwise, you know, like it's not good, you know. You can't be shipping items out late and then the customers are gonna get angry, right? But if that's things happen in life, right? We understand. Like sometimes, you know, like maybe your Amazon account gets suspended, maybe you're sick, maybe you have to run, your business is on hold. You're gonna have to communicate with the buyer when you come back, right? That is your responsibility. So let's go ahead and get the next order opened up, yeah. So let's go ahead and open up this one. Sorry, wrong. All right, there we go. So we're gonna just add this item to cart. This one is 15.25. This one is nice. It'll come within 1 day, right? We're gonna add to cart, right? Proceed to checkout, right? And then we can go ahead and change the shipping address. By the way, guys, if you guys have too many shipping addresses, just go ahead and delete them. You don't need to add so many. You can just go ahead and delete it. So let's go ahead and get the customer's information. User details right over here. Juan Lopez. So his name is Juan.
I remember when we we used that name for ChatGPT and it wrote the letter in Spanish.
Yeah. That was really funny, man. Yeah. Okay. So let's go. He's from Florida. What do you think about Florida, man? Have you ever been?
Yeah, I lived in Florida for what, 2.5 years?
Oh, really? Huh?
Yeah,
How was it? Like, did you
it was
tropical storms
nice.
everywhere?
Huh?
Was it tropical storms every other day, or was
No,
that just propaganda?
it's not tropical storms every other day, but it was nice. It's overpriced, but it was nice. And
Mm.
it could be a bit dangerous. That's the only thing.
Oh, really? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So city, Miami, and then we're gonna go ahead and put Florida. I heard Miami is I don't want to get into it, but I heard it's a godless state.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too political for this video.
It's a very, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so over here, fastest delivery. You can get fastest delivery tonight. It's gonna charge $2.99. But you know what? It's gonna cut into our profit, so let's not do that. They're gonna get their item tomorrow. And I think if we write them a message, that'll be fine.
Yeah.
So 1 day delivery, 1632. Let's go ahead and just press purchase, yeah? Choose free Amazon delivery for fewer boxes and a $1 digital code. August 2nd. Nah, we can't. You know what? This would have gave us another dollar, but
Yeah. But we
but
have to get this item out on time.
exactly. So let's go ahead and just do it. 1632 is fine for now. All right. So there we go. Let's go ahead and add it to our order sheet. Let me grab the purchase ID from the top, and then we can add it to our data sheet now. So let's go ahead, open this up. Alrighty, so let's put in the order number. What this one? I don't know what happened here, but we'll fix it after, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this for the cost of goods. You remember what the number was? Was it 1632?
I don't remember the exact number now.
Okay, let's put 1632 for now.
Yeah, if I remember correctly.
Yeah. And then for the eBay sale price, we're gonna put 2035. So that's how much we got, 2035. And by the way, guys, remember these are like the total cost, including the tax. So when you guys are filing your like if you guys are filing your taxes, what I would recommend would be to go ahead and create a new like section where it's like because I'm not going to be filing the taxes on this specific account, right? But what I would like for everyone to do for your accounting reasons, if you're not tax exempt, right, then you're going to have to go ahead and make a new section where you put the Amazon price, but you also put the tax price, because when you're going ahead and filing your taxes, you can go ahead and write off the taxes you paid on Amazon, because we're already paying the taxes on eBay.
Right.
So what that means is whenever you get a sale, you only want to be paying the tax on the item once.
The government of the US is receiving taxes twice. So that's the problem.
Exactly. So every item should only be paying tax once. So 2023, 07, 25, that's when the order came. And then let's grab the order ID. And then we'll put it in. And then there we go. We're good to go. So now let's go ahead and send our letters out. You can see we made like almost a $4 margin here, $5 over here, which is cool. And let's go ahead and send our letters out. So this one, our ETA was July 31st. It should come then. So let's go ahead and just rewrite the note.
And that the delivery time for this item is by August 2nd.
Yeah, exactly. So let's go ahead and make the note. SS means it's shipped, right? We're gonna put Victor's email down, and then we're gonna go like Victor's email is the email
The
we
one you
use to go
ordered with.
exactly. So and then this one is July 31st, 2023. ETA means estimated time of arrival. I'm gonna put my name, Sammy, and I'm gonna put the date of the note was created, right?
Yep.
And I'm gonna write that need to message customer. Okay, let's go. Alrighty. So now I think since this one is coming tomorrow, we don't really need to message the customer because we have until August 2nd, but we're gonna message them anyways, just to give him some service. The first one, the guy that we're gonna want to work on is him because he is getting his item pretty late, right?
Yes.
He needs to get his item by July 31st, right? So we gotta communicate with him. So let's go ahead and open up the channel of communication. We've already sent a message to him, I believe. So let's open that message up. So this is customer service, guys. It's half the battle, right? So don't neglect this. All right. So
The
his
second
name
one.
was yeah, very cool. Dear Kevin, let's go ahead and update then let's go open the new messaging feature because I like it better. I think it helps us better. We've updated our messaging. Press try it now. Press try it now, and you're able to kind of see all the messages in like a chat format, which I
Yeah.
like. So there we go. We sent him a message. And we told him that his item was coming on July 30th. Yeah. So now we have to give him an update and we have to let him know that, hey, it's actually coming on August 8th.
August 6th.
August 6th. Yeah. Let's go ahead and let me just see the note real quick. August 8th. It's right here.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and now we're just gonna go ahead and open up ChatGPT, right? This is a message we sent to our buyer. So guys, whenever you have a delay and stuff, make sure you don't put the blame on yourself because what's gonna happen is if you put the blame on yourself, like you forgot to order it, the customer is gonna be like it's your fault. What you want to do is you want to blame somebody else and you want to unite and bond with the customer, right? What we're gonna do is we're gonna blame the shipping carrier. My shipping carrier messed up. They had a delay. You know, we're trying like screw them, blah blah blah. You know, curse them out, and then let the buyer curse them with you. You know, deflect the blame from yourself.
Yes.
Don't bring attention to you, right? So we're gonna go ahead and create a message. This is a message we sent to our buyer. However, the shipping carrier messed up and they are shipping the item and its ETA is, August 8th. Please write a letter to the buyer. Please create a draft for me to send to the buyer to let him know this and make sure to deflect the blame from me and blame the carrier and sound angry and sad and remorseful and to make it up to the buyer even though it's not our fault, give them a 5% coupon for any other order and we will make sure this doesn't happen again. Yeah, so there we go. Like, let's go ahead and see what kind of we can go ahead and create the message ourselves. However, like what we want to do is like I like to write like notes, and then I like ChatGPT just clarifies everything. As long as you understand the concept, the message is gonna be formed perfectly. Oh, look at this. They came up with a perfect coupon name. Sorry, Kev. Look at ChatGPT is great, man.
This is that's actually what I laughed at.
Yeah.
When I saw this thing make up the coupon, I was like, what?
Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Dear Kevin, I hope you're well. It's with a heavy heart and immense frustration that I write to you today regarding the delivery of your floor mat. I was informed by our shipping carrier that despite our best efforts and clear instruction, they haven't made a mistake in the shipping of your order. I'm both angry and saddened to tell you that the new estimated over is August 8th. Please know that this is entirely the fault of the carrier, and we are doing everything within our power to hold them accountable. Your trust, man, like how can somebody be mad at you? You know what I mean? It's
Yeah,
like, yeah, this is what you guys do, all right? This is take notes, make sure like if you ever run into this situation, this is how you handle it. All right, so let's go ahead and then I'm gonna create the coupon before I, like I'm gonna go ahead and create the coupon so that way, we can go ahead and we can go ahead and send it to him. So let's go ahead and press marketing. And guys, like that letter itself was gold. This is how you
yes, it
do it.
was.
Like, yeah, that was beautiful. And I just remember like that's the prompts that we use, but ChatGPT can only give you what you ask it for. So make no mistake, right? Like it takes the knowledge to even get the right output. So it's not like, if you write a letter to Kevin, it's not gonna give you that same output. Remember, I put
Yeah,
a lot of detail into it. All right, so let's go ahead and put 5%. And then we're apologizing, but we're also giving him value. Like that's what people like, right? Save even more. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for the delay. Hope this makes up for it. Whatever. Anyways, so let's go ahead and launch it. And then we can go ahead and send our message out. Your coupon, sorry, Kevin, has launched. Right? And let's go ahead and just see. Please use the coupon code at checkout. Your support means more to us than worlds can explore. We'll do everything we can to make sure this never happens again. Thank you for standing. Man, it's beautiful. That's beautiful, guys. There we go. Where this message should even though we're not delivering within the time frame, because we sent this message out, Kevin should be understandable, right? Like,
yes,
as long as you're communicating, don't be, if you have a problem, communicate with the buyer, guys. Very important. All right.
yeah.
So the
Don't be
last,
afraid.
yeah, exactly. So the last thing is for this person, right? We told them that I'm ready to extend my sincere as a small. Okay, so this one's we said we told him it's coming on July 30th. Let's go ahead and just send them an update that it's gonna come on July 31st, right? So we're still gonna have to message the buyer for that one. So we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, for this customer, the item is coming on July 31st and not July 30th. Please, here is my previous message. Just remember, this is how I prompt GPT, so you guys can kind of follow along how I do it. Please create a new draft for a follow-up message. So you got to be able to learn how to kind of maneuver Chat GPT as well, right? I've been doing this for a long time. Like before Chat GPT came out, I've been using like OpenAI's Text DaVinci 2, the APIs and everything. So I'm very well versed. But if you guys like want to get, just remember like the output, the quality of the messages you're gonna get is entirely based off the input. Right? It's called prompt engineering. Like if you go and search up jobs for prompt engineering, they get paid like 200,000 a year because they know how to program Chat GPT, because this is like a black box technology, right? And there's no definite rules yet. But yeah, anyways, it's a different topic.
Yeah,
Update on your oil mat delivery. Dear Juan, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm reaching out a small update regarding the delivery. First and foremost, let me express once again grateful, right? One day initially planned on, or rather it's a minor hiccup in logistic pro. I understand this slay may cost me. If there's anything we can do to assist you further, once again, thank you for choosing. We're excited to. Okay, let's go ahead and send this message. Oh, by the way, we gave him a coupon. Yet I forgot that
no, we
we
didn't give him a coupon.
not this guy, but the other guy. But
Yeah,
I forgot we paused our store. Hopefully that's not an issue. Anyway, if even if it's an issue, like we have customer service to handle
Yeah,
any of that.
so
So
we
don't be
could.
scared. Exactly, yeah. So there we go. We sent out our two messages, and yeah, we're good to go. Like Mark, if you want to start up this account again, like I think we're fine.
Yeah, I'll start it back up. I'll
Let
start.
let's talk with Vince first to see if he's
Yeah,
okay with it.
exactly.
Yeah,
So
we don't
anyway,
want to like.
guys, like the video, subscribe. If you have any questions, what we're doing is we're doing actual work and having you guys look over our shoulder and see step by step what's happening. Okay, so
Exactly.
smash the like button for that. Look into our coming up videos tomorrow. Have a good one, guys.
Yeah. Have a good one.